Shout out to Bonseal99, I believe. It's because of you that I'm creating this video right here. You said, hello, thank you so much for this technique. I'm inspired to create my own book, but always doubt myself if I can do it. I'm here to tell you, you can. Hopefully with your teaching, I'm brave enough to push myself. Just do it. Stop overthinking and get it done. Could you create a book of 4 dementia people? I worked in aged care for almost 10 years. And I remember our residents love to do this activity. Thank you for your consideration. Well, Bonseal, this video goes for you and everyone who is interested in creating this type of book. What is it? It's book for seniors. There are so many different activities that seniors like to engage in, especially when it comes to dementia. I did some research. Let's get to it. I came onto Amazon and searched for coloring book for seniors with dementia. I searched for different keywords, right? Stress relief, coloring book for seniors and things like that. I found this one, coloring book for seniors with dementia, at 7,000 is the search results. I am clicking on my Katie Spy right now, and it's yellow and green across the board, which means that the potential for revenue looks good, and the competition, it's green, so you can easily compete here for a first page ranking. That is very, very good news. Now, as you can see here, like for example, you're going to notice when you go on Amazon and you do this for yourself, go and start searching and look into the different types of coloring books that we have here. I'm going to show you the easiest and the fastest way to come up with the coloring pages. But look at the similarities. It says for relaxation, large print. And then if you keep going down, another one that says for relaxation, another one that says large print. So you're going to see a lot of that in this niche, especially like bold and easy flowers. Why? Because the easier it is, I've noticed with the pages, the easier it is, the better it is for the elderly and seniors. I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is how simple these pages are. A couple of leaves, and some of them, like this one, is just one cat and a leaf. So look, one dog and a ball. So this is totally doable. Let me show you how you can come up with the coloring pages. What you're looking at right now is the Nurie Creator. I've been using this for just testing different types of coloring books and pages that you can create with this. If you want to go into the whole coloring book niche and create tons of coloring books, this is a tool that you need to be able to do that. I'm going to go ahead and enter a prompt. Create a coloring page of a flower, sunflower with big petals. Okay. Let's go ahead, and I'm just going to go ahead and leave this as it is. Select image size, 8.5 by 11. That's perfect. Art style, it's not kawaii, it's not stained glass, not steampunk, nor pop art, and so on and so forth. There's a lot. There's even anime. So if you want to explore the whole anime coloring book, this is a tool that you need. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it as none, and the line thickness medium. I'm going to click on generate images. Now it's going to take some time. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time for it to generate images just because a lot of people are using this software right now. So let's see what this software comes up with. I'm going to go ahead and take a sip of my tea while we wait. All right. Let's see. Okay, this is perfect. This is one of the features that I love about the software. We have options. That's very important. And let's say I want to go ahead and download them. Let's see. I don't know which one I want to use yet. Not a problem. I'm going to go ahead and download all images as PNG zip. We're going to go ahead and click on that. It's going to download to the computer. Now, how are we going to put these all these pages together? Not a problem. We can always use Canva. And what are we going to do on Canva? We're going to go ahead and create a template, an 8.5 by 11 template, and we're going to start uploading those pages onto the Canva template that we're going to create. Let me show you. We're going to go ahead and create a design, and it's going to be a custom size. It's going to be an 8.5 by 11 as mentioned before. Let me click that option. It's going to come up with our template. Now, the first thing that I want to do for this type of book is maybe create a border. How do you create a border? let me go ahead and show you. Let me click on elements. Under elements, I'm going to type in page border. I'm going to enter, and then we are going here where it says frames. I will show you why you want to frame. I did this on one of the past videos before. There are a lot of frames to choose from. We can do something with lines, which is, I think I used this one last time. Okay, I think it was this one. So this is perfect. You can go ahead and change the color to the frame. You see how it's like a blue or green or something like that, like a greenish color. I'm going to go ahead and click on color, and I'm going to choose black. And then I'm going to upload one of the sunflowers that we got from the Nurie creator, and we're going to plug it in to this frame. Let's go ahead and do that. The sunflower is right here, but I want to go ahead and just, all you have to do is move it a little bit, and boom, it's inside the frame. You could even make the frame a little bit bigger, and it will expand that drawing. So here we have it. We have a beautiful sunflower. Now, all we have to continue to do is go to Nurie, the Nurie creator. I'm going to go ahead and add another prompt. Create a large peony flower. Wait, well, I forgot. Create a coloring page of one large peony flower. Let's scroll down, and I'm going to go ahead and click on generate images and see what comes up. Mission complete. Enjoy your new coloring pages. Okay, awesome. Now, let's see, I like this one a lot. So we're going to go ahead and just download these, see which one I really like. So let me just download the PNG files. They're in the computer. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go ahead and upload them onto Canva. Okay, now we have it here on Canva. All we have to do again is just, I'm going to click on it and then just move it slightly, and it's right there. So now we have a lovely sunflower and a peony. So that's what we can do. Now, if you want to start just playing around to just get some ideas as to the front cover of this type of book, let's go ahead and go to the apps here on Canva. And we want to use the Dream Lab. You want to get some ideas, and these are just some of the ones that I've been playing around with Dream Lab. So these are like some of the flower ones that I have. Like, for example, it created this one, which I really liked. When I was just asking and giving it different prompts, the prompt that I used, the prompt that generated this image is create a coloring page with flowers that can be colored in. So it came up with this. Let's go ahead and do one in real time. I'm going to go ahead and let's say, for example, create a book cover with one large flower for a stress relief coloring book for seniors. Let's go ahead and see what happens now. It's going to generate something. It's going to take a couple minutes, and let's see what happens. Okay, I love this. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. What a great idea. I don't use the design directly from the Dream Lab, whatever the AI generated, just because it's not something you can easily customize. Like, for instance, I really like this, but how can I customize this, right? But I love this idea of this flower and the background. It's like a little bit transparent. I love that. So we can go ahead and recreate that by using, we can go ahead and recreate something like this by using the Magic Media. You can use Magic Media or the Dream Lab. And if I click on Magic Media, it's going to, let's say, for example, images. Create a flower pattern outlined in gold with a beige background. This is just me playing around, so we can go ahead and I encourage you to do the same to see what comes up, just testing the water, see what comes up and what ideas you can extract from this. Okay, so look at this one. Okay, so you see, this is a cool background. And then let's say, for example, I mean, this is not for the coloring book at all, but it's just an example of what you can do with Canva. I mean, there's the sky's the limit. So many ideas. Let's say create a flower pattern outline in gold with a beige background for, oh wait, background coloring page. Let's see what happens when I add the words coloring page. Let's see. Okay, now look, see, this is more like it. I actually like this a lot. And what we can do is, okay, I really like this one. Let's say I like this pattern. I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to go back to this template. I'm going to scoot this here to the front. That first page is going to be blank. I'm going to paste it here, and I can begin to create my book cover here. You see? And we can start playing around with this. Let's say, for example, just at the top of my head. Let's see what I can come up with. Something like this. And maybe bring it up a little bit more. Go to elements and then maybe choose this type of. Okay, let me see. Something like this, right? But let's change that color. We can do something like, it could be something vibrant too. Be like stress relief. What speaks out stress relief? Maybe like a green, but not that kind of green. Something maybe like this. And then we can maybe add a shadow. Shadow. Let me show you what you can do. So if you want to go ahead and add a shadow behind this, you can do so. All you do is, for example, let me just undo. Okay, this shadow, I'm going to just expand it. And then, whoa, no, what am I doing? I'm going to put it here, but the position, I want it back behind. So let's see, let's minimize that now and see what it looks like. You can always do things like this just to play around with it. Okay, something like this. And then on the top, we can choose a different color. Let's say we want to choose maybe like a beige. That's perfect. Something like this. Then under elements, under text, I can go ahead and add something like large print. Remember, and they had a lot of books that said large print. And then we could do something like the following. Whoa. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think I grouped it by mistake. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to go here. And then I'm going to choose, do it again, large print. But now I'm going to put bold and easy. Let me go ahead and capitalize that. Bring it to this side. And then maybe add a diamond. I'll show you what that means, what that look like. Diamond. Let's say it's something like, not an actual diamond, but maybe the shape. Something like, maybe something like this, where we can make it, okay, maybe smaller. Perfect. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So large print, bold and easy. And then in the middle, obviously, we want to go ahead and put for example, a title. It could be Mindfulness for Seniors coloring book. It could be this keyword that I found is, let's go back, coloring book for seniors with dementia. So all we're going to do is I don't want to put the word dementia, but definitely coloring book for seniors, or wait, coloring book for seniors. And then we're going to go ahead and we can even change the font for that. That's perfect. And maybe the color, maybe like a white or a beige. And then we could add an effect, maybe a lift. And then let's see. Perfect. And then maybe we can add a subtitle. We could add stress relief. Let's see what else we find here on Amazon. Stress relief, calm, easy color and frame, simple, large print, coloring, calming. You have to look at those, the patterns. What are the words that you see most? Stress-free, relaxation. Let's use that. Stress-free and relaxation. All right, perfect. So let's go ahead and make sure we make that bold. Maybe even change the font. Okay, wait, the font, dude, the font. Okay. Maybe make it small. Or there you go. Maybe something like that. Maybe change the color to something more bold, or just use that same color scheme. And then something like this. And then maybe add, you see this page, you can even add this page in the front just to give a preview of what this book, the type of coloring pages that we can find in this book. How do you do that? Just go ahead and download this specific, just this page number 2. Go ahead and click share. You're going to go ahead and download it as a PNG file. You click here, you select under select pages, you deselect everything, select current page number 2, click done and download. That is the same page we're going to upload here, and we're going to add it to this front cover. Okay. Mind you, I'm doing this in real time, so it's not gonna be the perfect book cover, but it's just an idea. Now I'm gonna go ahead and upload it. That is uploaded onto here. We can go ahead and add that page. We're going to edit that image. We're going to scroll down, and under effects, we're gonna add a shadow. And then we can scroll, and then the intensity, we can always increase it. And then here on the back, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click here on the top where it says transparency. I'm going to make it a little bit more transparent. Okay, perfect. And then what I can do is I can use this same shape, that rectangle. I can bring it down, and I can even minimize it and put it down here. And I can add something else. Maybe there I can add the author name. It could be the name of your, what is that called? The name of the coloring business. For example, it could be something like Coloring Delights. Okay. And then let's say, for example, if your business name is Coloring Delights Publishing, you can add that there. And then we can add, change the font so we can see that. And change the color. And there you have it. And you can even add these little elements. Just go ahead and add it all throughout. Here you go. And then we can add another one to the other side. And it's just those little details that you can use to make this and personalize it and make it your own. See, we can choose to differentiate the color. And this is the final result of our front cover. It's simple, and it can obviously, we can change the font, rearrange it, maybe even, for example, we can click on the font and we can, under effects, if you scroll down, you can even change the shape. So if we click on curved, you see how it curves it? If we scroll down even further, you can control how that is curved. So you can even do something like that if you'd like. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. And if you have any ideas, go ahead and leave them down below. I would love to hear from you guys and see if I can create a video based on your idea. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. God bless.